Yes, welcome. Come in.
Thank
You may have a seat
Thank you very much.
anytime.
I'm Mercy. I'm from MKTV. Yeah,
Welcome.
I appreciate
You may
And,
have a seat once again.
Thank you.
Yes,
You're such a humble person.
thank you. I appreciate.
So, what is your name?
Before I say my name,
Yeah.
I'm Dr. Brian. Oh, I already said it. I just said it. I study PhD in medicine
Yeah.
at Harvard University.
Harvard University.
Yes.
You're such a bright person.
Yes, I'm a genius.
With a bright future.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, what is your age, Dr. Brian?
I'm 20 years old.
20 years.
Yes, I'm 20 years old.
Wow. You're such a genius.
Yes, thank you once again.
So, we've heard a lot about you.
There are so many things to be heard about me. A lot of things to be heard about myself. So don't worry. I am not worrying.
That you're immune to COVID-19.
Yes, I'm very immune to the virus. I
Oh.
cannot catch the virus.
Wow.
Yes,
That's the story.
I cannot catch the virus because my body is enriched with litmus papers.
Huh?
A lot of blue litmus papers, which I
What?
possess from birth. There are genetic modification
Yeah.
that I possess, I myself, which
Very
produces antibodies and antibodies.
Antibodies and antibodies.
Antibodies and antibodies.
What?
So the antibodies are the ones that are responsible for the emission of the virus from my body. The moment the virus enters my body, within 3 seconds,
Yeah.
the litmus papers produces antibodies and antibodies, and the virus is emitted and sent away from my body. I have come into contact with thousands of people, a lot of people,
Yeah.
thousands of people. Like yesterday, I was in Kingston, USA. I was in Kingston, USA.
Kingston, USA.
Yes,
The place is highly infected.
yes, the place is highly infected. I came into contact with more than 5,000 patients of the virus.
Yes.
I told them to cough on my face.
Huh?
I even told them to cough on my face one by one. And the moment I went outside that hospital,
Right.
I came to Kenya and I was quarantined.
Yeah.
14 days of quarantine.
Yeah.
And I tested negative for the virus.
What?
Yes, I cannot catch
This
the
is
virus.
mysterious.
It's very mysterious.
And
Yeah.
what is your blood group?
My blood group is blood group H. I am blood group H. Write it down. Blood group H.
Blood group H.
Yes. Which is
Unheard of.
H negative. H negative,
What?
which is similar to the blood group of Jesus Christ. It is similar to the blood group of Jesus Christ. Like when we follow history, I've been checking on history. The blood group of Jesus was blood group H,
Yeah.
and I'm the only person on earth from all that time which possesses
Blood group H.
that blood group.
Negative.
Yes, so my blood is the only thing that can save the world. If you take a portion of my blood
Yes.
and add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution
Yeah.
and mix it with phenolphthalein and butane
What?
at a temperature of 24 kilometers per hour, you'll make a COVID-19 vaccine and a cure at the same time.
24 kilometers per hour.
Yes, at a temperature of 24 kilometers per hour, and add a retro Benedict solution
Dropwise.
and shake it well. Yes, that is
Kilometers
exactly
per
what I
hour.
was trying to do it here, and it was almost working. I'm at phase 1 of testing my vaccine
I
that
can
I've
see
already
you are
made.
very busy.
Yes, I'm very busy over here.
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm selling my blood.
How much are you selling your blood? Dr.
10
Brian.
liters at $10,000.
10 liters,
At
$10,000.
$10,000. Yes.
Will the blood be sufficient?
Yes, it's very sufficient. My placenta produces a lot of blood per second.
Placenta?
Yes, my placenta and my amniotic fluid. They
What?
produces a lot of blood per second.
Yeah.
So the blood will eventually be sufficient.
But
Yes.
the population in a country is very high. Will it
Yes.
be sufficient?
Yes, it's very sufficient because they can dilute my blood. They can dilute my blood using hydrochloric acid. If you add hydrochloric acid and the concentration will remain the same, the concentration of my blood will still be the same.
Wow.
Yes, so let's say I sell 10 liters to Europe, 10 liters to America, 10 liters to United States, 10 liters to Kenya, 10 liters to Uganda, 10
Yeah.
liters to India. My blood will be very sufficient. because each country, let's say I sell to USA
Yeah.
10 liters,
Yes.
they dilute it, they make a lot of liters of
That
their
will be-
yes, that will be sufficient for their people.
Yeah.
They dilute it with hydrochloric acid. The concentration will still be the same, and my blood will be the same. My blood will not even realize hydrochloric acid has been added to it.
And what is your body weight?
My body weight, I don't have body weight.
What?
I 0 kg. Write it down. 0 kg. I don't have body weight. I remember when I was 37 years old,
Yes.
I lost all my body weight. When I was 37 years old,
You lost all of them.
I lost all my weight. I don't know why, but I lost it all.
You are a unique person.
I'm very unique. I remember when I was in primary school,
Yes.
I was bitten by a snake and it died on spot. A cobra snake.
Cobra, and the way the
A
snake
cobra.
is very dangerous.
It is very dangerous and it died on spot, and I didn't went to hospital.
You didn't went to hospital.
Yes,
and
I
you're
did.
Surviving.
Yes, I didn't went to hospital.
And why didn't you go?
I was mourning to that snake.
Mourning
You know
to the
this.
snake?
I felt a lot for that snake. You know it has a
Why?
family. The snake, first of all, it has a family. So I felt a lot for that snake to an extent that made me mourn. I mourned for the snake for 2 days, 2 good days, because of the grief that I had towards it.
What?
Nilikuwa unajua nyoka inakuwa na familia pia.
I know, I get you.
Yes. My blood can sometimes disappear.
Huh?
Yes, it can disappear it all. I
How do
found
you
I don't
survive
have
if
blood.
It disappears.
I start using brain instead.
Huh?
So the moment my blood disappears,
Uh-huh.
the litmus papers are alerted that the
Yeah.
blood has done what?
Has disappeared.
And they start manufacturing a lot of brain, millions of tons of brains, which takes the function of my blood. I know you are wondering where my litmus papers
Yeah,
are located.
yeah.
They are located here,
Eh?
here.
Here, like here.
Yes, in my uterus. Here in my womb, my uterus. Here, just here. No, at my right leg. Here, in my womb.
Yes.
They are located over here. So I'm trying to make the cure and the vaccine here,
Yeah.
over here.
Yes.
And that is exactly what I'm doing.
Yes.
I'm trying to test them. Please don't touch them. You
not touch.
do not touch with your bare hands. Please,
Okay.
for your own safety.
Yes.
So this cure and a vaccine. And the countries, let me say one thing,
Yes,
one
tell me.
clarification. The countries that are still on lockdown,
Yeah.
as advised by the government,
Yeah.
should continue remaining on lockdown. And the countries that are in quarantine should continue quarantining themselves.
Yes.
May you continue sanitizing your hands, sanitize yourself, wash your hands,
With the
stay
hopes
indoors,
that-
stay indoors,
Eh.
and maintain distance. Continue distancing yourselves and wear masks on public,
Yes.
please, till I confirm my cure and my vaccine
We
is
can't-
effective for human use.
Use.
Yes, you know I must confirm the cure and vaccine. As you can see, come and see. Do not fear.
Yes.
Do not fear. Here,
Eh.
this is the iodine solution.
Yes.
And this is the reagents that you cannot know the name. I made it myself. This reagent that I'm going to use to make the vaccine and the cure the same time. So
and
thank you.
Dr. Brian,
Yes.
how will I know if you found the vaccine and the cure of the virus, and how will I be sure?
According to my mentality, my mental recognition,
Yes.
I'm not going to answer you that question. You know, I'm a PhD holder,
Yeah.
so I know the questions to answer and the questions not to answer. So may you move out, please. Give me time for my research,
It's okay.
please.
So thanks for your time. Dr.
Anytime.
Brian.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you very
for
much.
coming. Thank you.
See you.
Bye.
See you
Churros.
another day. Churros.
Yes.